guys, welcome back to Streamlab HQ. In today's video I'll be showing you how to install the Pluto TV Kodi Addon. This particular add-on gives you access to so many things like live TVs, documentaries, shows, and so many things. So it's going to be a quick tutorial, and I'll advise you to follow the instructions, follow the step-by-step guide so you don't make any mistake while you are installing yours. So guys, with that being said, we get started with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is to install the Kodi app on your device, and after you have installed that, the first thing you need to do is to first of all add Kodi app to your device. You understand? And I believe by now you all know how to do that. So when you've installed a fresh Kodi app on your device and you open it, this is the first interface you will see. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to click on this gear icon, and on this page you click on system. Okay, then by the left panel you will see add-ons here, and you will see unknown sources here. So I want to enable this, so you click it and click yes. Okay, so after doing that, you go back to the previous page. Then on this page now we're going to click on file manager. Okay, then we're going to click on add source, double click it. Okay, so on this page I'm going to click none. So I want you to enter this repository URL address the same way I'm going to enter mine, and be sure you don't make any mistake, because if you make any mistake you won't be able to proceed with the rest of the tutorial. So the address is this. Okay, so this is the address: https:/k.slyguy.xyz. okay, and I'll click OK. So when this page opens, you're going to name this Pluto TV. So on this page you're going to enter Pluto TV or Pluto. Okay, after doing that you click OK. So it's been added. You can see we have Pluto on our file manager now. So you go to the previous page, and on this page you're going to click on add-ons. Okay, so we have a lot of options here, and I want you to click on install from zip file. So yeah, then I want you to select this Pluto, which is the name we saved repository address as. Okay, then you're going to click on this repository.slyguy.zip file and allow it to install. To take a few minutes, so we're going to wait for it to install, guys. If at this point you are following the tutorial, I want you to hit that subscribe button if you've not subscribed, and turn on the notification bell. So we've done the installation from the zip file. I want you to click on install from repository file. Okay, so we have a Kodi Addon repository, and we have Sly Guy repository. We're going to choose this Sly Guy. Okay, then on this page we're going to choose video add-ons. So you can see we have a lot of options here. You have so many video add-ons here. Okay, you have Nebula, you have Neon, you have Octopus. You have so many of them here, but look at what we're looking for: the Pluto TV. So I'm going to click on this and click on install. Okay, you're going to ignore this, click OK. So it's installing. I'm going to give it a few minutes to finish installing. Okay, yes, don't worry, it's writing 0, but I'm sure it's installing. So I'm going to pause the video and resume it when the installation is completed, so I will not keep you guys waiting. So it's been installed. Okay, you can see we have the Pluto TV Addon installed already. So what I'm going to do is go back to the previous page, and then go back to the home page. Okay, on this page you're going to click on Addons, then video Addons on Pluto TV. So when this opens, okay, so you can see we have live TV here. You have channels, you have search, you have bookmarks, you have settings, anything you want is here. So okay, so that is it, guys. So I believe you know how to use it. So if you have any questions, you have any challenges while installing yours, you can leave a comment in the comment section. And if you have any particular add-on you're looking for, if you have any add-on you want me to do a tutorial on, you can just leave it in the comment section as well. And guys, I think with that being said, that is all for today. And please, if you have not subscribed, I want you to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that once I upload any new content, you'll be able to get it on time. So you can see it has so many it's supported by so many countries. Depending on your location, you can choose any location you're watching from, and you have access to so many things from that particular location. So it is a very nice Kodi Addon. So it's a very nice Kodi Addon, and I've been using it for a while though, and it has not disappointed yet. So that's it, guys. So thank you guys for watching, and enjoy the rest of your weekend.